Oh, it's your boy John Rambo back here with another unboxing. Today we got the Hisense portable air conditioner with the remote control. Let's see what all come with it. It's a little dark in my room. So excuse the lighting. Okay, let's see here. This go right to the side. Okay. This is the part that's going to hang outside the window. Of course, everybody know what that is. That goes with this. And here's the tube. It's the tube that's going to connect to the AC. Also going out to the window. And here's the unit itself. Yeah, boy. Give me 1 minute, pull this boy out, and I'll be right back at you. Okay, so I'm back. Just everything that comes with it. Once again, like I said, you got your tube. Now these is the side pieces that's gonna go in the window along with the rest of the stuff you see here. Here's a projector, portable AC. I'm so used to doing videos on projectors, it don't make no sense. Now, this thing got a nice amount of weight to it. It's not light at all. So that's a good thing. I know it ain't El Cheapo. But, wonderful thing about this is, it do got wheels. Video gonna be probably 2 separate ones because my battery died on me and I wasn't able to make it one continuous video. Sorry about that. So we're gonna pause it again, hook this bad boy up, and let y'all guys know how good it is. Get right back at you. Okay, I got the hose hooked up. What you're gonna do, that one piece that I showed you guys, that's gonna just slide on there real easy. Just slide on and off. To get this on there, you just simply twist it counterclockwise. Counterclockwise until you can't do it no more. And same deal with this end. Twist it on there counterclockwise until you can't no more. Okay, so everything completely hooked up. Got it plugged up over there. I gotta say, so far, it's a bad mother. You know what I mean? Now the remote don't come with batteries. You gotta have your own batteries. We got 3 different modes. You got cool, dry, and fan. So, like even if it's not that hot outside, you don't need the AC on. You can just turn on fan mode, and it blow pretty good. I mean, like I can almost feel it in my kitchen already, and I'm in the living room. So I'm about to give this boy an A+ rating. Hopefully it don't let me down in the future. But this is a pretty good brand, so I'm sure it won't. It's your boy, John Rambo, and I'm out.